everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will test this eyeshadow palette, and this is from V7. It's called On the Rocks, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the ABH one, Subculture I think, and this is how it looks. As you can see, I already done some swatches for myself, but I will do a few for you as well. It also comes with this brush, and this is how it looks like. I haven't used it, but I'm curious if it blends well or not, so this will be useful. Okay, so first row, I'll just do some swatches. So this is the first row, and I'll do the second one. So this is the second row. The swatches are not really great, but I cannot judge a eyeshadow palette through the swatches on the hand, because I'm gonna add a eye base how I usually do now, and I'm really curious how it's gonna perform. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've already applied the eye base on one eye, and I haven't set it because I usually use it wet. Eyeshadow grips better. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with this really nice dark green. It's quite powdery, by the way. It's quite a lot of fallout in the pan. So I'm gonna start in the outer V, and I'm patting at the moment. I'm not doing any blending. Next I'm going in with a different brush. It's a bit more precise, and I think I'm gonna use this shade Maraschino Cherry. I'm sorry if I butchered this name, but I have no idea how to pronounce this. Next I'm going in with Espresso Martini, this color in here, and I'm using this type of brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend these colors in, just a bit in here. Seems a bit stiff, so I don't know if it's really good. No, not really good for blending. Just need another brush. The tiniest pressure to blend these two colors together. Actually, I'm gonna add first this color called Moscato here on my brow bone, and now I'm gonna do it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my lower lash line, and I'm using this type of brush. Okay, I'm gonna go and finish the other eye off camera, and then I will come back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Now let's talk about this palette. So first of all, I know like all of the colors look the same, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but they're a bit too powdery. I don't know, a few of them they're not even pigmented, so if you don't apply a wet eyeshadow base, it's not gonna show up. I mean, in here it was quite a struggle, and yeah, and I said I still have to apply in my inner corner, so let's see how it's gonna apply on top of the foundation and everything. So I think I'm gonna use this Sugar Rim, this one in here, because I'm really curious. It goes really well with my highlighter, so it's quite of dual-tone type of. It's still really powdery. It's like a pink duochrome kind of, you know, if you can see, but it's not really pigmented. I mean, it's more pigment than my highlighter. Anyway, going back, I think this green one was right. Purple, the dark purple, the Mara skin. Oh my god, I cannot pronounce this one. I think that was alright as well. The what I've noticed in the swatches as well, the espresso martini and the champagne toast, they're quite pigmented actually, and they went very nicely on the eyelid. But most of the mattes are really powdery and it takes time to build it up. I mean, yeah, you can see the color is there. I had to build it up, which if I need to compare with, I don't know, like a unknown type of brand, this eyeshadow palette from You Can Be, the Spotlight, I've tested this before. Basically every single shadow I tested in here, they were creamy, they were powdery a bit, but they are really creamy and pigmented, and I worked so well with it last time when I tested. So I have no idea if this is a dupe for something, but it's a really great palette and it's quite cheap. The pigment is there, but anyway, for the price, I mean, that should be fine. I mean, I don't know if I paid more than £5 for this. Can't remember, I just need to look for it. And also, by the way, on the back you have, I'm really curious if this is cruelty free? It doesn't say. Cannot find the symbol. But you have the ingredients in here and you have the shades, but as you can see, there's no symbol for not tested on animals or anything, so I do not know. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'm really curious if one of you actually tried this eyeshadow palette. If I'm doing something wrong with it, or I don't know. It turned out alright eventually. It's quite a lot of work, and usually an eyeshadow palette should make your life easier. I mean, I don't know, should apply more easier. Yeah, just let me know if you actually try this and how it worked on your eyelids, or what I'm doing wrong about it. Because I don't know, most of the shades, I like the shades, but it's just, I didn't like the fact that I have to work harder to build it up on my eyelids. So yeah, just let me know if you actually try this, or if you want to try it. Anyway, well, thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, and I will see you next time with more videos to come. Bye!